Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to organize our project number 2 promo video folder. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to open this up and I want to click on this and drag it out. I want to drag out graphics and I want to drag out music. And then we're going to delete the project number 2 promo video folder. Make sure it's yellow. Okay. And then hit delete. And then we're going to change the colors of these, or the label. Okay. So video, let's do blue. Graphics, let's do red. And music, let's do green. It's kind of RGB, but it's backwards. Red, green, blue. I'm doing blue, red, green. Okay. That's how you can differentiate the content. There you go. Okay. So we organized the files. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.